lost it all. But now I see how you were there for me, and I can say, never would have made it. Oh, I never could have made it. Never could have made it without you. I would have lost my mind a long time ago if it had not been for you. I'm stronger. I'm wiser.
Let me just tell you a little something about Praise Line. When it comes down to it, they are entertainers. You know, a sideshow. And, you know, Lee Curtis is a talent, a star, but he's so raw. He's raw. He needs someone to harness it all, and I did that. I am not an unreasonable person, but to have his first lady, I mean, his wife, out here on the side of the road, reduced to